Well, hey guys, I just got off the beach. We had a little thirsangi, and I got my Arnold Palmer golf club half and light, meaning it's half iced tea, half lemonade. It's very good. It's very good. Yeah, it's very good, guys. So we're on our way back. I'm thinking I might take a little nap ski, and then I might go to a little shop. Wow, guys. I might do a little shopping later. I might say hello to the Scientology a-holes, but yeah, probably not. Yeah, screw them. Yeah, that's good, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go past Hubble Funeral Home, that is. Yeah, screw them. Yeah, I mean, Emily Hubble. Yeah, what are you, 250? Yeah, go screw yourself. Yeah, I mean, whatever. Yeah, so I got my goods going. Yep, got my groove on. I had my thing. My mommy went in the water. She swam for a little bit. She swam like a beaver. Yeah, we're thinking upon getting the Rolls Royce right here. We meant to stop earlier. There it is, guys. Oh, we hope no one sees it. Yeah, we hope no one sees it at all. We're gonna stop. I'm gonna put my bid in. Yeah, Daddy just burped. Yeah, so we're gonna put a bid on it. 12 cents to the dollar. I'll pick up my welfare checks. Yeah, that's probably where our house is. Yeah, I mean, yeah. So we're going through Bel Air. We're gonna say hello to Hulk Hogan. Yeah, we're thinking upon that one. I think I'm gonna get some prostitutes tonight, guys. You never know. You never know what the deal's gonna be. You never know if it's gonna be half price, half not price, half full price. Yeah. So, maybe I'll go driving at the Biltmore, the driving range. Maybe Justy will show up. Maybe Alan, but we're probably praying on not. We don't know. They probably still don't work there. Yeah. So this is probably where we are. Oh, crap. Granny P just texted me. I mean, yeah, I gotta make a few phone calls when I get back. Yeah, go! Oh, jeez, I'm crow. Oh, those people suck my blue balls. Yeah. So I just gotta make like one important phone call when I get back. And then I will take a little nap ski and start all over again. Yeah. You're right. Yeah. Thirsangi. Yeah. Okay, guys. I will see you a little later. Yeah. Peace to the jizzle. Peace to the whizzle. Peace to the mama fizzle. Peace to the ow. Peace to the mouse. And peace to the cranberries kind of coming out. Yeah. See you later, fuck and douchebags.